Hello everyone, today I will introduce an Isuzu transport truck. It uses an Isuzu single rooftop, which is equipped with air conditioning, radio, MP3 player, and USB port. It uses an Isuzu 190 horsepower engine, a 5,200mm wheelbase, truck chassis, and Isuzu 6-speed gearbox, a front axle capacity of 4 tons, and a rear axle loading capacity of 7 tons. The refrigeration unit uses an Chinese-brand refrigeration unit with intelligent temperature control to keep the temperature constant. The material used for the box is TPS, which has a thermal insulation effect and is 8 cm thick. The box is 6.8 meters long, 2.3 meters wide, and 2.3 meters high, and can transport 40,000 and 50,000 chicks. Exhaust fans are installed on the top, side, front, and back of the box to exhaust the carbon dioxide inside the box, keep the air inside fresh, and control the temperature. The floor inside the box is equipped with ventilation slots, which are conducive to air circulation and better cooling effect. You will definitely like this kind of transport truck.